still haven't finished my freaking drink. Anyway, folks, welcome back to another reaction video. As I said in the previous video, or upcoming video, depends on where I'll schedule it. I'll do another reaction video today. And yeah, to my surprise, and I'm gonna be very honest here, I haven't checked out Dimmu Borgir, I think since Abrahadabra, I think 2010. It's been way too long. I didn't catch up with them at all. I just know that regarding members, it's been basically reduced to the bare minimum. I know that Silenos and Shagrat are still the main official members of Dimmu Borgir, but hey, they announced a new record for 2026, Grand Serpent Rising, which is going to be released on the 22nd of May, if I'm not mistaken, this year. And yeah, I haven't checked out Dimmu Borgir in ages. The only thing I'm pretty sure of is it's going to be freaking orchestral to some extent. Yes, you might call it mainstream black metal, but hey, Dimmu Borgir is as important to the black metal scene as Cradle of Filth is. So, and since I have never done a Dimmu Borgir video, I think, yeah, here we are today then, I guess. And to my liking, and to my surprise also, the song title is called, now don't judge me on that, I will butcher it for sure. It's Ulvgjeld and Blodsodel. It's in Norwegian, obviously. My guess is they'll probably also sing it in Norwegian. Yeah, and I think we just jump straight in. Huh? I mean, what is there to expect of Dimmu Borgir except orchestral overload, which is their main treat, kind of, their recognizable point for sure. So, Dimmu Borgir, Ulvgjeld and Blodsodel. Let's see what this is all about. Yep. Pretty much what I was expecting. Very long build-up. Okay. Yeah, those are classic Dimmu Borgir melodies. Okay. Okay. some interesting choices. It's really a slow burner, actually. It's so freaking orchestral, there's so much going on. Okay. Damn, this is not what I expected at all. I mean, yes. Ah, there you go. I was missing the... Yep. It's so cinematic, what they do. Always has been, by the way. This is giving me a lot of abracadabra vibes. I was expecting it to like start off again. They usually, very often they do it like the drum overload and then straight into the blast beat and then they reveal themselves. But this was quite of a slow burner, but with a lot of detail, especially in the orchestral arrangements. Very, very detailed. I think this needs a few re-listens for sure. Yeah, I think I might check out this record, even though it's not like on my go-to list nowadays, because don't get me wrong, huh? I like the older stuff, like Puritanical Euphoric Misanthropy. I really like that record. Insorti Diaboli was on another level, storytelling-wise. And the later ones were okay, some good songs here and there. This is interesting. This is very interesting. So I might definitely check out what Dimmu Borgir will come up with. And it's been 8 years since the last record, Aeonian, so a lot has happened in this band. I'll have to catch up, for sure. Again, everything is in the link in the description below. If for some reason you live under a rock and have never heard of Dimmu Borgir, this is, again, a very old band, so to speak. They started in the mid-90s, in the second wave of black metal. They emerged, and they're still there. So respect for that also. And yeah, check out what else they have to offer. And we'll see each other for the next reaction video or whatever will turn up on this channel. Until then, thank you very much for watching, and we'll see each other very soon. Bye.